like my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie, and I'm back in your screens, guys, with another banger. Now, I don't know what you've been doing for the past month, but what I do know is that this new month, all my girlies has got to look good. Since I got so many compliments the last time I did my micro twist, I'm going to be taking you guys through the entire process of getting my hair done, and of course introducing you to different unique ways on how to style your hair. Bonus point, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best afro kinky bulk human hair in the books, because that is what I'm going to be using to have my hair done. So I got this bag from Hotbraids, and inside it we have this really cute box of combs. You guys tell me why a box of combs should look this good. Like, you can literally gift me combs and I'm going to be like, but you guys, we have this pinhead comb, we have, well, this brush, then we have this edge control brush, Hotbraids. Now you're doing too much. You're doing too much. And also we have these pins. They gave us 3 of this. Let me show you guys the hair. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such a juicy bag. I got the extensions, 1 bundle in color 30. I don't know if you guys can see. I got 1 bundle in color 30 and 4 bundles in normal pitch black. But you guys, it looks like my hair. Like, you could literally mistake it. It looks like my hair. I mean, it's human hair, right? Alright, you guys, I don't want to spend too much time talking. Let's just get straight into the deets of this video. Hi guys, so this is what the hair looks like at the end of the day. It's really soft. I wish you guys could touch it from your screens. I used 5 bundles to achieve this look. I also did a thing with the color 30 so that when I move my hair in the side part, you see like a different color. And to me, it is, I don't know, I feel like I aged. So like I promised, I'm going to show you guys simple ways on how to style your micro twist. And if you stayed here for that, then you're not wrong. Let's just get straight into it. were pretty easy styles, and I guess you've seen how simple it is to manipulate this hair. If you'd like to see more ways to style your mini twists, please go down to my hair playlist and don't forget to make purchases from Hotbraids. Hit the link in my description to get money off. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you loved it. Mwah. Oh wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're trying to get to 10K before the year ends. Thank you guys. Bye.